Want to be featured on my next video? Please write a comment down below and share it on your Instagram stories. Be sure to tag me in it. Thank you. Good morning. How are we doing today? I don't know if you've noticed this type of yarn that you get from Red Heart, bright stripe, but I absolutely love it. I don't know about you. I love how the color changes as you're going. Alright, well today we're going to learn how to do my surprise stitch. Okay, I'll go ahead and I will show you. I did a slip knot on the hook, and I'm using a 3.5mm hook. You can feel free to use any size you want. Okay, I went ahead and took the liberty and did 21 chains. Now I am outside, so you will be hearing a little bit of noise, like dogs maybe, or birds, you know, that kind of a thing. So I do not own the rights of the background. Sorry, I'm being a little silly this morning. But I'm loving this Florida weather. This time of year, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a very windy state, you know, when it comes to the fall and the winter. But what little cool weather we do get, I absolutely love it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do a triple crochet in each of these stitches. I'm going to go by starting into the 4th chain from the hook. Simply insert your hook, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. Okay, that is your triple crochet. Okay, we'll go ahead and do triple crochet in each of the stitches. Now, for those of you that are not familiar with me, my name is Melinda. I'm from Malindasdesigns. Now, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you did, show some support. If you don't want to, that's entirely up to you. Please show some love. Tell me in your comments down below and let me know how your day is going. I'd be greatly appreciative. Okay, once we get all this done to the end of this row, I will get back to you and show you my surprise stitch. That's what we're here for today, so that's what we're going to learn. Alright, be right back. Alright, now that we're done at the end of this row here, we'll go ahead and do a chain 2, and we'll turn our work. We'll do a half double crochet in the first 2 stitches. And then we'll do 2 triple crochets in the next. Now, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and show a little bit of love. Okay, half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And a triple crochet, actually 2 of them, in the next stitch. Okay, I'll turn this over and let you see the surprise stitch. I love how the texture turned out, especially when you do the 2 triple crochets in the same stitch. It gives this little bump, a little pop. See how it just pops out a little bit? I love it. Gives it a little texture. So if you like texture in your work, feel free to use this stitch. Okay, half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, triple crochet in the next, and then triple crochet again in that same stitch. Okay, we'll just repeat this until the end of the round, and in your last 3 stitches it should be a half double crochet is what you'll need in the last 3 stitches, but we will find out here in 1 second. Alright, now I wanted to share with you, I've been really pushing this since I can remember. I haven't been on YouTube very long, but I've been trying to do some shout outs for a lot of the small individual businesses out there, and I can do for large too. I really don't care. It don't make no difference to me. But what you simply do is just take a screenshot of this video and then post it on your Instagram stories, but be sure to tag me in it. Now, if you need to know what my handle is, it's at CreationsbyMalinda, and I will go ahead and share that with you down in the description below. So this way you'll be able to know where to tag me. And it appears that we have the last 2 stitches are a half double crochet, so that'll work. The other way you can get a shout out is simply just writing a comment. Simple as that. So if you say boo, kiss my butt, whatever, don't make no difference to me. Sorry for the silliness, but that's all you got to do. See how the texture is? It's really pretty, isn't it? Nice little pop by doing that 2 triple crochets in the same stitch. Alright, I'll see you when I see ya. Hope you enjoyed this just as much as I did. You have a good day. Alright, bye-bye.